That day, Microsoft Office is very expensive, so we need to try something new Office called LibreOffice. It is absolutely free and open source. Also, you will get free regular update with no cost. And today I am going to tell you how can you download LibreOffice and basic information about the LibreOffice writer. Welcome to the Extra Tech Tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn about LibreOffice. The first thing, you need to download LibreOffice. You need to go any web browser and search here LibreOffice. Click in the link below. Now click download now. Select your operating system. If you have 32-bit operating system, then click this, and if you have 64-bit operating system, then click this. Now click download. You can right click and install. Next and next and next. Install. It takes some time to install. Now open LibreOffice writer. Now we are going to create a blank document. This is the blank document we created. If you want to create a new blank document, you can press Ctrl+N. And this bar is called status bar, which give you basic information about the document, like how many word, character and pages. At the top in the window, you will see the title bar. My title bar is Untitled 2. In right corner in the window, we have minimize, maximize and close button. Horizontal ruler is located at the top of the document window. It is used to set the left-right margin. You can use like this. If you want to manual control on it, you can double press the left mouse button here. Here are many options you can use, like spacing, alignment, border and many more. Then here we have vertical scroll bar. You can use this for up and down the document like this. And then here we have small sidebar. You can use this for quick tools like this. It is very interesting. Now close it. And this is our view tools, and it is used for single page views, multi-page views and book views. And this whole section is called ribbon. Ribbon is displayed just below the title bar. Open window here, you can see, you can type anything you want. If I'm missing anything, please tell me in the comment section below. For saving the document, we need to go File and Save. Now here you can change the file name. Now click the Save button, or you can directly save by pressing Ctrl S. If you want to open the save file, it is very simple. Go to File, now Open, and select the file. Now I am going to telling you how can you convert to PDF. Go to File and Export as PDF. Click here. Now click on Export, and now choose the destination document. Now click Save button. Okay. Now I am going to show you. Now I am going to show you where is my PDF file. Okay, this is my PDF file. I hope guys you understand my video. If any doubt about these tutorials, please tell me in the comment section below. Thank you guys, bye bye.